Hello adventure seekers, get ready! Today, we're unveiling 20 mind-blowing outdoor camping gadgets that will completely revolutionize your next wilderness escape. We've scoured Amazon for the best camping gear of 2026, featuring everything from portable power stations and smart survival tools to ultralight tents and innovative cooking solutions. Whether you're into backpacking, car camping, or just love exploring the great outdoors, these must-have camping essentials are absolute game changers. Let's dive into these incredible finds. Power on the go without the bulk. Meet the Newsmy Solar Power Station, a compact portable energy solution weighing just 5.07 pounds. Its 72,000 mAh LitheLi FePO4 battery powers up to 5 devices at once, from smartphones to laptops, while lasting over 2,500 charge cycles. Equipped with a 100 watts foldable solar panel, MPPT input, and a built-in 6-watt LED spotlight, it's perfect for camping, travel, emergencies, or daily use. A complete kit with essential cables makes staying charged simple and reliable anywhere. Stay clean anywhere, anytime, with the Kakadu Camping Outback Shower. This 4th-generation portable shower delivers instant hot water using a single propane bottle for up to 4 hours of outdoor bliss. Its slim 7-inch wide design houses a rechargeable lithium battery and a slimline pump, making it easy to carry and use. The adjustable shower head and digital display provide precise control, while click-on connectors ensure leak-free operation. Perfect for washing yourself, dishes, or pets, it's the ultimate companion for camping, road trips, and outdoor adventures. Meals on the go don't have to be messy or wasteful. Meet the Logcow Travel Utensils Set, a compact 10-piece portable cutlery kit you need for camping, picnics, school, or workplace lunches. Packed in a zippered case with elastic bands, it includes a dinner fork, knife, spoon, teaspoon, sheathed steak knife, chopsticks, straw with silicone tips, cleaning brush, and mini spice jars. Made from high-grade stainless steel, these reusable utensils make every meal eco-friendly, organized, and convenient wherever your adventures take you. Car troubles shouldn't ruin your plans. The Pelsee Portable Jump Starter is a compact 20,000 mAh car battery pack you need for emergencies on the road. With a powerful 3,500 amp jump starter and built-in air compressor, it revives vehicles with up to 10-litre gas and 8-litre diesel engines quickly. It also features a tire pressure monitor, an LED light with SOS modes, and 45-watt fast charging for electronics. Waterproof and equipped with 12 safety protections, it keeps cars, trucks, and outdoor adventures safe and powered. Music should move with you. Meet the Bobtot Portable Bluetooth Speaker, a mini waterproof shower speaker you need for on-the-go sound. With TWS support, it delivers loud stereo sound, deep bass, and crisp highs anywhere, home, camping, or poolside. A 1,200 mAh battery provides up to 16 hours of playtime, while Bluetooth 5.3 ensures a stable wireless connection. Built-in mic enables hands-free calls, and a portable lanyard makes it easy to carry. Water resistance keeps music playing, even in wet or splash-prone environments. Stay fresh and dry wherever you go. The 4 Monster Camping Towel is a must-have for outdoor adventures and travel. Each set includes 3 quick-dry microfiber towels in different sizes, perfect for the gym, yoga, hiking, the beach, the pool, or camping. Soft, lightweight, and ultra-absorbent, they wick away sweat and water efficiently while remaining odorless. Designed for portability, the largest towel handles showers or beach trips, and all towels dry fast for reuse. Durable, skin-friendly, and compact, these towels keep you ready for any activity or adventure. Never let cold hands slow you down. The Ocoopa Magnetic Hand Warmer is a pocket-sized, rechargeable solution designed for outdoor enthusiasts and winter warriors. With water resistance, it delivers reliable warmth in rain, snow, or dust. 3 heat levels reach up to 125 degrees Fahrenheit, providing instant comfort for up to 9 hours per device. Ergonomic and portable, it fits in gloves or pockets, while the magnetic design allows easy attachment. Perfect for Raynaud's sufferers, golfing, hiking, or as a stylish tech gift. Take your hikes further with confidence. The TrailBuddy foldable trekking poles are ultra-light aluminum hiking sticks designed for men, women, seniors, and travelers who need stability on any terrain. Collapsible into 3 sections, they fit easily into backpacks or suitcases for on-the-go storage. Adjustable from 115 to 135 centimeters with ergonomic EVA and cork grips, they reduce hand fatigue and absorb moisture. Interchangeable tips and included mud, snow, and rubber baskets provide all-terrain support, making these foldable trekking poles ideal for hiking, walking, or travel adventures. Make hauling a breeze with the LitheLi electric folding wagon. With a massive 200-litre capacity and a 300-pound load rating, this wagon handles groceries, yard work, and waste removal effortlessly. Dual 450-watt batteries power 8-inch all-terrain tires, providing smooth rides across grass, gravel, sand, or cement. Adaptive speed control, 360-degree steering, and a drop-down tailgate make transport easy and safe. Collapsible in just 3 seconds, the waterproof 600D fabric and robust frame ensure comfort, reliability, and convenience for camping, beach trips, sports, and outdoor adventures. Cold weather shouldn't cut your outdoor fun. The HunnmingRe hooded camping blanket is a lightweight, packable companion you need for warmth on the go. This 650 fill puffy poncho blanket transforms with snap fastenings into a wearable cloak, a sleeping bag, or a picnic blanket. A detachable down hood adds versatility, while waterproof, windproof ripstop nylon keeps you dry in dew, light rain, or wind. Perfect for camping, stadiums, beaches, or hammock naps, it's your reliable shield against the cold wherever you adventure. Lighting up your campsite has never been easier. Meet the Omuky Telescopic Lantern Stand, a sturdy, adjustable solution for hanging your outdoor lights safely. Made from high-quality aluminum alloy, this durable lamp pole resists wind and stays stable on any surface. Its height-adjustable design lets you position your lantern perfectly for cooking, reading, or relaxing. Retractable and lightweight, it comes with a nylon carrying bag for easy transport. Ideal for runs, camping, hiking, backpacking, or picnics, it ensures reliable illumination wherever your adventures take you. Make any space ready for work, meals, or games with the Haisiwlkj square folding table. This 34-inch multifunctional table is perfect for indoor or outdoor use, from camping and picnics to office or party setups. Its HDPE plastic tabletop and metal frame provides sturdy, stable support, while the half-folding design and built-in carry handle make transport and storage effortless. Quick to set up with no assembly required, it comfortably seats 4 and features anti-slip leg covers and rounded corners for safety and convenience. Heading into the outdoors requires a backpack that can keep up. The North Face Technical Daypack is a 36-litre unisex pack designed to carry everything you need comfortably and securely. Its padded hip belt, chest strap, and breathable back panel make long hikes easier, while integrated trekking pole attachments and rain cover protect your gear from the elements. Lightweight, durable, and highly organized, it's perfect for hiking, trail adventures, or any outdoor excursion where reliable carry and comfort matter. A good night's sleep makes all the difference on any adventure. Introducing the Gehannah Camping Sleeping Pad, a soft, comfortable microfiber pad designed to make camping cots and the outdoors more restful. Lightweight and foldable, it's easy to pack for hiking, backpacking, or travel, while non-slip sleeves and elastic bands keep it securely in place. Multi-purpose and supportive, it can double as a ground mat or blanket, providing comfort wherever you are. Ideal for camping, hunting, or outdoor adventures where sleep and rest matter. Accidents happen, but they don't have to ruin your gear. The aZengear. Clear adhesive tape is a must-have patch repair kit for tents, jackets, inflatables, and more. Each roll of strong, transparent TPU tape lets you measure and cut a custom patch to fix rips and tears instantly. Waterproof and ultra-strong, it bonds to PVC, nylon, leather, vinyl, rubber, and plastic. Perfect for repairing air mattresses, tents, jackets, shoes, or inflatables, this multi-purpose tape keeps your gear functional and ready for any adventure. Keep your essentials close while enjoying the water. The paddleboard cup holder is a must-have accessory for SUP enthusiasts who want convenience and stability. Designed with double suction and locked clips, it attaches securely to your paddleboard's bungee cords, holding drinks, phones, or small gear even on choppy waters. Multifunctional with extra slots for sunglasses, speakers, or fishing hooks, it's perfect for anglers and adventurers alike. Made from durable, water-resistant silicone, this lightweight holder ensures your items stay safe, accessible, and spill-free during every paddleboarding session. Stay powered anywhere under the sun. The Solupup solar power bank is an essential companion for camping, hiking, or any outdoor adventure where electricity isn't guaranteed. Featuring a detachable 14-watt foldable solar panel and a 10,000 mAh power bank, it charges phones, tablets, and other devices via 5 fast-charging ports. Magnetic charging, USB-C, and Lightning compatibility let you power up multiple devices simultaneously. Lightweight, foldable, and IPX5 waterproof, it includes a built-in LED flashlight and smart safety features, ensuring reliable, portable energy for day or night use in the great outdoors. Relax anywhere, anytime. Introducing the Miztli Camping Hammock, a portable solution for comfort in the great outdoors, perfect for hiking, camping, or backyard lounging. This double and single hammock features a spacious net with adjustable tree straps, creating a tent-like space that keeps the net from touching your face. Made from durable parachute nylon with triple stitching, it's built to last. Lightweight, machine washable, and easy to set up with included carabiners, it offers hassle-free portability and versatile relaxation indoors or outdoors, wherever adventure calls. Stay warm wherever you go. Meet the Hazli Comfortable Wearable Blanket, an insulated outdoor poncho that doubles as a blanket and hoodie, perfect for camping, hiking, festivals, or sports events. Crafted from high-quality materials, it provides superior warmth and comfort in any weather. Lightweight and portable, it comes with a compact carrying bag and carabiner for easy transport. Featuring a large hoodie, front zipper pocket, and roomy design for freedom of movement, this unisex wearable blanket is a versatile essential for outdoor enthusiasts of all ages. Enjoy hassle-free camping with the Chihee Camping Tent, a pop-up stand-up family cabin designed for 2 or 3 people. This large-capacity outdoor shelter features a screened porch, waterproof, 210D Oxford fabric with PU coating, and windproof construction, keeping you safe from sun, rain, and ground moisture. Its charming hexagonal design and elevated interior allow comfortable movement, while the effortless pop-up setup saves time and effort. Complete with aluminum pegs, thickened guy lines, and 5 windows, this tent provides stability, ventilation, and versatility for hiking, picnics, and family adventures in the great outdoors. That wraps up our epic countdown of 20 essential outdoor camping gadgets. Which of these futuristic camping tools are you adding to your gear list? Let us know your favorites in the comments below. If you found this video helpful for your outdoor adventures, hit that like button and subscribe for more camping hacks, gear reviews, and survival tips. All the links to these amazing Amazon camping finds are in the description. Thanks for watching, and happy trails!